So I want to try out if I can draw realistic looking neon lights with just my basic art supplies. I'm literally not gonna be using more than just this. So I'm gonna walk you through the whole process and I hope you enjoy the video. Also, if you do like the video, make sure to subscribe with notifications. Let's start this project. To be honest, this project had a very rough start. I literally spent half a day trying to figure out how to approach this neon drawing. So once I had figured it out, I made a sketch and transferred it on this black piece of paper. And now we are ready to go. These are the only art supplies I will need. I have a pink Posca marker, a white Posca marker, also a white and pink colored pencil. And to end things off, I have this neon fine liner. And I won't need more than this. So I'm starting off with my pink Posca marker to create the neon tubes. I wish I had a marker with a fat tip for this, but since the current lockdown situation, the art stores are closed and I couldn't afford waiting 2 days until an online order would arrive at my house. So I guess I have to do a little bit more work here. First layer of the neon drawing is done. So what I have to do now is to go over all the pink lines again to make the color really bright. I've done it over here and you clearly see that's a lot brighter. I'm not gonna show that on camera because I think it's a little bit too boring. So I'll see you in a second when it's done. And just like that, it's done. Now I need to swap Posca markers because I need my white one. In this step, I make the insides of the neon tubes white. And once again, I also did a second layer of white on top of the first one, but I felt like it wasn't necessary to show you this grindy work. Oh yeah, this thing is already looking pretty neon, and the next step will make it even better. Here I'm going around the white part of the tubes with the pink neon fine liner. And I can't be more happy about the results because this is working out very good. It's almost finished, just his jaw now. Next thing I have to do is to make it all glow more with pencil. The pencil is working out pretty well and it's gonna be shiny. And to make it glow even more, I go around the neon tubes with a white pencil. Originally, I was also planning on doing a brick wall and some shading, but I think it looks already pretty good and pretty finished, so I'm gonna leave it like this. So that means that this project is finished, and I must say this has been a very successful project. I am really happy about the end result. I would love to hear what you guys think about it, and if you want me to draw another effect, I've done the glitch effect, now the neon effect, let me know in the comment section down below. I love to hear your suggestions, and then I'll hope to see you in a new video. Take care.